In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can get a free domain in the easiest way. So for this, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a software called Infinity Free. And Infinity Free allows you to create domains in the easiest and most simplest way. So once you create your account, what it does is it brings you here into hosting accounts. So simply click on create account from here. And once you click on create account, as you can see, you can create one totally for free. So simply go ahead with the free trial, and once you're here, it says, please confirm that you are a human. So just go ahead and verify yourself. And once the verification is successful, give yourself a domain name. So, give it whatever you want. You can choose whatever domain extension you want. Once you've done that, check the availability for it. And if it's available, it's going to give you the account password and everything to go with it. Simply click on create account, and once you've done that, from here, that is about it. That is literally how easy it is to get a free domain. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.